Hey everybody, I'm Griff with F5 Product Marketing. We're back with another quick hit video, and this time we're looking at a new dashboard for DNS zones in the Distributed Cloud console. So let's check it out. We're starting at the DNS management dashboard in the console, and the first thing we do is click on DNS zones over here on the left. Right away we can see the new DNS zone dashboard. You'll get a zone overview, your zone types denoted as primary or secondary, deployment statuses, and the list of zones themselves. We'll come down to our CRT test zone and we'll get the name, number of records, utilization, and the deployment status of the zone. You'll also see the search function that lets you find a record more easily. When we click into the first record, we can see the record name, type, record values, time to live, and any comments we may have about that particular record. We can also jump straight into the record configuration panel if we want to make any modifications. So you can see that with this new dashboard, you don't have to play any guessing games around the health and status of your DNS zones. And that's it. If this helped you save some time and effort in your DNS zone management and record management, drop us a comment and let us know. And if you want to learn more about how F5 Distributed Cloud DNS helps you keep apps available, head on over to f5.com.